Need to change your Wi-Fi password, set up a guest network, or configure port forwarding on your ZTE router? It all starts with logging into the admin panel. In this guide, I'll video you step by step how to log in your ZTE router. Let's get started. Step 1. Find default login settings. First, find default login IP address, username, password, and default Wi-Fi SSID and password printed on the router sticker. Step 2. Connect to your ZTE network. First, ensure the device you're using, a computer, phone, or tablet, is connected to your ZTE router's network either using Wi-Fi or wired. Step 3. Access the login page via web browser. Open any web browser and access 192.168.1.1. You will get ZTE login page. Use default login username and password printed on the sticker and press login button. Step 4. Change wireless settings. Once logged in, go to Local Network tab from top menu. Then go to WLAN settings from left side menu. Scroll down page and go to WLAN SSID configuration. Change 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz SSID name and password and apply settings. You need to connect all Wi-Fi devices again with new Wi-Fi name and password. Step 5. Change login password. To change ZTE login password, go to Management and Diagnostic tab from top menu. Then go to Account Management option from left side menu. Now provide old password that you used to log in. Create new password and confirm new password. And press Apply button. And that's it. Logging into your ZTE router gives you full control over your home network settings and security. If this guide got you access to ZTE router, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe channel to get more videos. Thanks for watching.